Here we have two giant snail. Wow. And one toad frog. Yeah, he eating cabbage. Wow. Oh my god, so big. Wow. Yeah, eating cabbage. Wow. Eating cabbage vegetable. Wow. See? Wow. So beautiful. Wow. Oh my god. So big. Wow. Eating vegetable here. Wow.